set up messaging platform. Right, you got few options there, but in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up Telegram. Alright, now to create Telegram bot, basically you need to set up Telegram. Search, just type bot father, which is this one. Then you can create a new bot by typing new bot. For the username, I'm gonna use 002 underscore bot. Done. Save this link, and then for the token, this is your token. Done. Telegram token save. Now for security purposes, you can isolate allow user ID, so it's only your Telegram ID that can communicate with Hermes. So for this, go back to Telegram, go to search, and then just type user info, and you will see here your user info, and then this is your ID. Yes, and for the gateway, it should run in the background. I just choose user service because I'm running it on laptops. Actually, I'm gonna use system service, and I'm gonna run it as root because this is just a demo Hermes Agent, but it's not recommended for security purposes. Yes, and that's it. So our Telegram bot is configured. This is our new bot. Let's test it there. Hey. Voila, it's working. That's it, guys. That's how you configure Telegram on Hermes Agent.